Work hashtag does not seem to be an existing platform or service. However, I can provide you with a general guide on making money online in 2024 for beginners. This guide will cover various legitimate ways to earn money online, which you can adapt to your specific situation. Freelancing. Offer your skills in writing, graphic design, web development, social media management, or any other expertise on platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or Freelancer. Online tutoring. Share your knowledge in specific subjects through platforms like Teachaway, VIPKid, or Tutor.com. Blogging. Create a blog on a topic you're passionate about, monetize it through ads, affiliate marketing, or sponsored content. Affiliate marketing. Promote products or services from companies like Amazon, ClickBank, or ShareASale, and earn a commission for each sale made through your unique affiliate link. Online surveys. Participate in paid online surveys on platforms like Swagbucks, SurveyJunkie, or Vindale Research. Selling digital products. Create ebooks, online courses, or digital art, and sell them on platforms like Udemy, Gumroad, or Etsy. Dropshipping. Start an e-commerce store using platforms like Shopify or WooCommerce. Partner with suppliers, and sell products without holding inventory. Investing. Invest in stocks, cryptocurrencies, or peer-to-peer lending platforms like Robinhood, Coinbase, or Prosper. Online customer service. Work as a virtual customer service representative for companies like Amazon, Apple, or LiveWorld. Social media management. Offer your services to manage social media accounts for businesses or individuals. Remember to research each opportunity thoroughly and ensure it's legitimate before committing your time and effort. Building a successful online career takes dedication, patience, and continuous learning.